Hello kids! Welcome to Donna Kids. Today we are going to learn a new letter. This is the letter P. 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 Now let's learn a P word. P is for parrot. P. P. Parrot. Look at the parrot. The parrot is colorful and bright. The parrot has green, red, and yellow feathers. The parrot has a curved beak. Parrots can fly in the sky. Parrots like to sit on trees. Parrots are friendly. Parrots can copy sounds and words. The parrot says, squawk, squawk, squawk. Let's say it again. P is for parrot. P, P, parrot. Now let's practice the sound. P, P, P. Can you say it with me? P, P, P. Great job! You did a wonderful job learning the letter P today. Parents, please subscribe to Donna Kids for more fun ABC learning videos. Bye-bye.